Hey boys and girls, how you all doing? Um, I wanted to make this video to hopefully help us out a little bit with the Google Classroom thing. So here I am. I'm a fake student here. So I've noticed that my teacher has submitted two assignments to have to complete. This one is called solving equations. So I'm going to click on that. So I click on that. It says create a Google drawing to show your work. Box your answers. So I'm going to click on the assignment here, and I have two equations. So I'm going to do the work for them on a piece of paper, and when I'm done with that, I could just hit this arrow to go back, and so I now have a piece of paper with all my work on it. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to click on Add or Create. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to go to Drawings, and it's creating something. And as soon as it's done creating, I can just click on it. Here's my drawing. I'm going to click on it, and um, here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button to insert an image. I'm going to go to camera, and then I'm going to see a camera here, and I'm going to hold up my work like this. Okay? I'm going to hold up my work as best as I can, get it in there. Click this button here. This over here is highlighted, this picture. I'm going to click insert. Okay, so now I have my assignment. I can make it bigger if I want to. All right, but now I could see that work. Now it says right here, all changes saved in Drive. So I don't even have to hit anything. I don't have to hit save. I don't have to do anything. I can just X out of this. All right, so now I can submit. I can submit it. I can write turn in. All right, so I'm going to turn in one Google Drawing. I'm turning that in. Perfect. All right, so now if I go over to back to my class here, I have to do this problem solving assignment. It says create a Google Doc to give a detailed explanation of your solution and create a drawing to show your work. So here's the question. Dave went to the store with $75. He bought 2 buckets that each cost $7 and 5 sandwiches that each cost $8. How much money did he have when he left the store? So I got the question, and I can, what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to go to Add or Create. So I'm going to create a Google Doc to type up my explanation. And I'm also going to create a drawing to show all my work. So now let's click on Google Doc, and here's my Google Doc coming up here, and you're going to go ahead and type your answer. You're going to type the explanation. So I'm going to go ahead and not actually do the assignment, so it'll take me, you guys don't want to watch me type, but anyway, so he bought 2 buckets for a total of $14 because each bucket costs $7. He bought 5 sandwiches for a total of $40 because each sandwich was $40. So he spent $54. And then he went in with 75. So you do 75 minus 54 equals 21. So hope if I ever give you a question, hopefully you write it out a little bit, give a better explanation. But so all changes are saved in the drive, so I can just X out of that. Now I can go to my drawing, and same thing. I'm going to click on click on Add Image, and from the camera, and here is my work. Again, I know it's kind of tough to do that, but we could figure it out somehow. There's the work. That's highlighted. Insert. I can make it bigger. And that's that. All changes are saved in the drive, so I can X out of that. Now I'm going to turn this in. Turn it in. I'm submitting a doc and a drawing. Yes, turn that in. Perfect. So now you're done with your homework, right? So now I see that if I go to classwork, I go to this assignment, solving equations. Hey, someone turned it in. Perfect. So I'm going to view the assignment. And I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to see their work. And I'm going to look at their equations and blah, blah, blah. So this equation is correct. This one is not correct, by the way, number 2. I did it wrong, but so I might give them, they showed their work for both of them, or I show my work for both of them. I'll get credit for that. Maybe I get 2 points taken off for not doing the right thing. I should have added 22 here, not subtracted, but so I'm going to get an 8 out of 10. I might even write in here, check number 2. Check number 2. So I can post that and I can return. So I return that. Now, it's returning. We go back to the student. Now the student's sitting at home and looking at the classwork and let's see, solving equations. Hey, it's graded. Perfect. I'm going to click on the assignment. I see I got 8 out of 10. And it says down here, a comment here, check number 2. So let me go back to my assignment. Over here to the drawing, check number 2, find out what I did wrong. Okay. The other assignment, let's see here. So the other assignment was the problem solving one. So one person turned it in. Perfect. I'm going to view the assignment and I could see the doc here. I could see what you did here. I could see your drawing. I can give you a grade. Everything was awesome. Good job. You got 10 out of 10. Return that. And then within a minute or so, it should be returned on your end. Sometimes it takes a minute for that to work, but graded, awesome. View the assignment. I got a 10 out of 10. Perfect. So, boys and girls, I want to try to go ahead and have everybody sort of submit on this. Hopefully this helps, just with a little bit of an explanation visually how to get this done. So let's try it today. So let's try it for moving forward. And as I kind of learned other things on it, we'll do other things. And so anyway, I hope everyone's doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye.